Hi, welcome to Right Alongside. This is episode 2 of our 60-second bike tips series. Today we're looking at the best way to remove a rear wheel. Let's get to it. Alright, step number 1, shift into your smallest cog. Step number 2, you're going to want to remove your through axle or loosen your quick release. Step number 3, you're going to want to push down right here on the knuckle and push up on this cage of your rear derailleur while simultaneously pulling up on the frame of your bike. There you go, how to remove your rear wheel in less than 60 seconds. I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have more content for you real soon.